We're looking at X right here, and we found Diego saying trading gets too easy anytime I'm scared about a post, saying day trading is impossible. Long term, I hop on the charts. It says I hope, but he meant I hop on the charts and win again. So we're coming on to this. We're looking at it. Just classic ICT shit. We get a sweep, a breakdown, fair value gap, order block, yada yada yada. I mean, it's kind of easy, but like a lot of traders have. I mean, that's what is it? One or two out of every 100,000 ICT traders actually make money. So there's a reason for that. It's just too much shit. Let me show you something that's actually pretty easy. Okay. So before I show you how to do this, people like to try to call me out crazy, and they're just trying to protect their the real profits, you, from knowing the truth about trading. So here is the video of me actually live streaming this on everywhere, and you can see that I actually took the trade. Okay, so there you go. But anyways, that's that. Thinking I'm just gonna say fucking YOLO, fuck it. Now we're going to go over how you actually do the trade, how you get into it, and the simplicity of it. Okay, so we come into US sessions right here, right? And this is 9:30. We'll mark that out right there. Now, what you're looking at is a value chart. All right, so we just have our levels on here. That's all that is. And then this zone right here, this you can change colors. It's just using our trade shield coloring right here. But you can go to legacy and change it to whatever you want, and change it to all different colors, whatever. But I like the legacy or the regime based on trade shield up here, which is telling you which direction to go. And we get about 4,000 days sampled, and over 70% of the time that this thing is saying go down or up, it's correct. So with a lot of data backing it. Anyways, this is the daily candle turned into the zone. Okay. So you're seeing it forming when you're knowing where value is for the day instantly, always. And that's important because price reacts to value. That's it. And then this one right here is our 15-minute candles. So every one of these is a 15-minute zone turned into these zones here, right? And if I turn on the labels, you'll see where they start and stop every 15 minutes. So new one every 15 minutes. And you can use this on any interval you want. So here's, come in here, or you can go into sessions and use New York session, London, Asia, pre-market, out 350 algo, initial balance, etc. So what we do is we look at this at 9:30, right? Or the session we're trading in, and we want to see have we interacted with one of these levels? And right here we did. We're in a downtrend, right? Downtrend, come up, retest, reacting to within the level. Here's our daily zone right here, right? And we're below it. We're below it. So what are we doing? We're looking for a value break below the zone, right? Something like that. Something like this. Okay. So we're actually starting to see the value break, the pullback, but this is before the session started. And instead of it breaking up over the daily zone and pushing up, watch what happens, right? It actually breaks down. And there it goes. So this is getting in the way now. So let's get rid of that. So we have our break down out of the daily zone, pushing down. So where is it going to go? Well, it's going to go to the next level, right? And here is the level right there. And it just keeps dropping. And I think it goes all the way down a couple of levels. But I got out of the trade on a pullback here because I was, just scalping it. And but typically what you're going to do, and what I do is if I'm not scalping, I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to go, okay, we can get rid of this daily one for right now. I want to get into the value break, right? And my stop loss is going to go above value right here. Okay. And then I'm going to target the next zone. So this would have been a 4 RR, taking that trade just like that. But normally I'm using like a fixed risk up here, and then I'm targeting the next zone. But today I was just scalping. So I scalped down and then closed, and then looked for some more entries later on. But anyways, That's literally how easy it is to trade value charts and value breaks.